Activity 2B. Read the ad and fill in the price tags.
Mr. Cool's Clothes Store. Come and buy your clothes at our great sale. We sell all our clothes at very good prices. Do you like sweaters? We have green sweaters for only $15. Yellow sweaters are only $12. Do you need trousers? For boys, we have black trousers for only $22. And shorts are only $16. For girls, we have skirts in purple for only $20. How much are our jackets? Only $30. And we have black shoes for only $28. Socks are only $2 for 3 pairs. Come to Mr. Cool's Clothes Store now.